Miscellaneous exercise 5, 15th one. If x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square, we have to prove that this expression is a constant independent of a and b. So we have to find out this expression and we have to prove that it is only a constant. So in this expression there is dy by dx, derivative, then second derivative d square y by dx square. So anyway from this equation we have to find dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So to find dy by dx, we differentiate this equation with respect to x. So given that x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. So we differentiate both sides with respect to x. Derivative of x minus a whole square, that is 2 into x minus a plus, and derivative of x minus a. Derivative of x minus a is 1. Derivative of a minus a 0. So only 1. So 2 into x minus a into 1. So same. Now we have to find the derivative of y minus b whole square with respect to x. So derivative of y minus b whole square, 2 into y minus b into derivative of y minus b with respect to x. That is dy by dx. Derivative of y with respect to x, dy by dx minus derivative b 0. So only one, dy by dx is remaining. Equal to derivative of c square 0. So we got differentiating this equation with respect to x, term by term. Differentiating we got this. From this we want to find dy by dx. So here in this equation we can divide by 2. So 2 will be cancelled. Divide 0 by 2, 0. Now we can find dy by dx. Therefore y minus b into dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus a. Then dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus a divided by y minus b. So this is dy by dx minus of x minus a divided by y minus b. Now we want to find d square y by dx square. Second derivative also we want. So we can find the second derivative from this dy by dx. Then therefore differentiating. So we got dy by dx is equal to minus of x minus a divided by y minus b. And now we can differentiate this dy by dx is equal to this much. So we have to find the second derivative. D by dx of derivative of dy by dx with respect to x. That is d square y by dx square. That is equal to find the derivative of this, we have to apply quotient rule. So minus we can take outside, minus into. Then derivative of x minus a divided by y minus b using quotient rule. Denominator into, y minus b into. Derivative of numerator, x minus a, that is 1. Minus, so into 1. Minus numerator into, x minus a into. Derivative of y minus b, that is derivative y dy by dx. Derivative minus b 0. So only dy by dx. Whole divided by denominator square, that is y minus b whole square. So this is the derivative of minus of x minus a by y minus b. Applying quotient rule, minus outside, this minus outside, denominator into derivative of x minus a, that is 1 minus x minus a into derivative y minus b dy by dx whole divided by y minus b whole square. Now we want to simplify because we want to substitute d square y by dx square and dy by using these we have to prove that this is a constant independent of a and b. In that expression when we simplify there is no a and b, that we have to prove. So this we have to simplify because here there is dy by dx. We can substitute the value of dy by dx here in the place of dy by dx. So when we simplify, that is minus outside y minus b, then minus x minus a into dy by dx, that is minus of x minus a by, so minus x minus a divided by y minus b, that is dy by dx whole divided by denominator square y minus b whole square. Now we can simplify this. So that is equal to minus of y minus b. This minus into minus plus x minus a into x minus a whole square. So plus x minus a whole square divided by this y minus b. So by y minus b. This is the numerator. Whole divided by denominator square, that is y minus b whole square. That is equal to minus of, find LCM here. So y minus b plus x minus a whole square by y minus b. So finding LCM, y minus b into y minus b, that is y minus b whole square, plus x minus a whole square, this x minus a whole square, whole divided by y minus b divided by y minus b whole square. So what we get? That is y minus b whole cube. So here whole divided by y minus b, again divided by y minus b whole square. So become y minus b whole square into y minus b, that is y minus b whole cube. So that is what? Now x minus a whole square plus y, this minus is outside the bracket, x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square, that is a given equation. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. So that we can substitute in the place of this numerator. So minus of c square divided by y minus b whole cube. So that is what d square y by dx square. So we are finding d square y by dx square. So that we got minus c square by y minus b whole square, whole cube. Now we can substitute these dy by dx and d square y by dx square in the given expression, and we'll prove that that is a constant. So for that we want this dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So we will substitute that. So we got d square y by dx square equal to minus c square divided by y minus b whole cube. So now we are going to take the expression and we are going to simplify. Minus c square by y minus b whole cube. Now we have to prove that this expression. So we'll write that expression, that is 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole raised to 3 by 2 whole divided by d square y by dx square equal to, take this expression and substitute dy by dx and d square y by dx square. So 1 plus dy by dx whole square. What is dy by dx? This is dy by dx. So dy by dx whole square. So negative square positive. Then this whole square, that means x minus a whole square by y minus b whole square. So x minus a whole square divided by y minus b whole square. So that is dy by dx whole square. This whole square, that is negative square positive, x minus a whole square by y minus b whole square. That is this dy by dx whole square. Dy by dx whole square. Then whole raised to 3 by 2. Whole raised to 3 by 2. Whole divided by d square y by dx square. What is d square y by dx square? Substitute that. Minus c square. Minus c square divided by y minus b whole cube. Now we can here find LCM. Then we have to multiply by the reciprocal. This divided by this. So multiply by the reciprocal. So this is dy by dx minus x. Okay, we'll simplify. Minus c square by. So now that is equal to, this is equal to, here find LCM. So 1 into y minus b whole square, that is y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square divided by y minus b whole square. That is y minus b whole square plus x minus a whole square whole divided by y minus b whole square. Then this whole raised to 3 by 2. This whole raised to 3 by 2. Then this we have to multiply by the reciprocal, divided by this. So we multiply by reciprocal of this. That is y minus b whole cube into, multiply by the reciprocal. Negative we write in the numerator, y minus b whole cube divided by c square. So we multiply by the reciprocal, minus y minus b whole cube by c square. Now what is x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to c square. So we can substitute here c square. So that is equal to c square divided by y minus b whole square. C square by y minus b whole square all raised to 3 by 2 into minus y minus b whole cube divided by c square. Now we have to simplify again. So that is equal to, see, what is c square all raised to 3 by 2? That is c raised to 2 into 3 by 2. So that is equal to c raised to 2 into 3 by 2 divided by y minus b whole square whole raised to 3 by 2. That is y minus b all raised to 2 into 3 by 2 into minus y minus b whole cube divided by c square. That is equal to, here 2 cancel, we get c cube divided by here also y minus b whole cube. 2 cancel, y minus b whole cube into negative y minus b whole cube divided by c square. So this y minus b whole cube cancel, c cube by c square, c negative, so minus c, which is a constant. We have to prove that it is a constant. We have to prove that it is a constant independent of a and b. See here, there is, in the answer there is no a and b, it is only a constant minus c. So minus c is a constant independent of a and b. Independent of a and b. So that is the so we proved. So we proved that this expression is a constant independent of a and b.